Meaning of discomfiture.
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 Discomfiture. Discomfiture refers to a feeling of unease or embarrassment caused by a situation that doesn't go as planned. It is often marked by a sense of discomfort and confusion, accompanied by a loss of confidence or composure. Discomfiture can result from a variety of circumstances, including social awkwardness, unexpected setbacks, and personal failures. This state can be accompanied by physical symptoms such as blushing, sweating, or trembling. Overall, discomfiture can be a difficult and uncomfortable experience that can leave individuals feeling vulnerable and exposed.